Diversity is a concept that has been ingrained in society for centuries. It is the recognition and acceptance of differences among individuals, whether it be in terms of race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, religion, or any other characteristic that makes each person unique. Respect is the foundation upon which diversity thrives. It is the understanding that every individual deserves to be treated with dignity and fairness, regardless of their background or beliefs. Kindness is the key to fostering a culture of inclusivity and understanding. It is the act of showing compassion and empathy towards others, even when faced with differences or disagreements. Together, diversity, respect, and kindness create a harmonious environment where people can coexist peacefully and learn from one another. By embracing these values, we can break down barriers, challenge stereotypes, and build a more inclusive society where everyone feels valued and respected. It is through our actions and words that we can make a difference in the world, one small act of kindness at a time. Let us strive to celebrate diversity, show respect to all, and spread kindness wherever we go.